Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to synchronize Gmail account on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here you just have to open your Gmail, and actually for synchronize your Gmail account here you can do it by two ways, which is the first way by the Gmail applications and then the second way by the settings on your phone. And here I'm going to show you the first way, which is by Gmail. If you want to synchronize, you just have to go to this three lines icon like this, and now scroll it down until we'll find the settings options. Just tap on it. And this is my accounts for the Gmail, guys. If you want to synchronize, you just have to choose the email or the Gmail account that you want to synchronize with the phone. For example, I'm gonna choose this third Gmail account. I'm gonna tap on it, and after you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the option which is sync Gmail here, you guys. If you want to synchronize it, you just have to tap on the square beside the sync Gmail like this until it will be a checklist like this, guys, and it will be automatically synchronized from the Gmail account to your phone. And then the second way is here, you just have to open your settings on your phone to synchronize it like this, and now scroll it down until we find here the option which is users and accounts. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now select the Google options, and now this is my Google account, my Gmail account. If you want to synchronize it, you just have to tap on your Gmail account. Like for example, I'm gonna open my second Gmail account, and you go to this three dots icon at the top right. Now tap on sync now. So yeah guys, I think it's enough from me how to synchronize Gmail account on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.